In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trifold brochure template in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get started right away. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen where you see your recent designs and a menu across the top. From here, move to the top left corner and click the Create button. This opens a quick way to start the exact kind of design you need without hunting through menus. In the search bar that appears, type the word brochure. You'll see a range of ready-made formats pop up. For a classic trifold, choose the brochure landscape template. Landscape is important here because it lays your canvas out horizontally, which is how a traditional trifold spreads across 3 panels. Click that option, and Canva will open a new design for you automatically. Once your design loads, you'll notice the page is divided into 3 equal parts. Think of each third as a panel that will fold to create the front, back, and inside sections of your brochure. This built-in structure is what makes the template so useful. It keeps your layout balanced and helps your content stay organized. At this point, you're ready to design. The template's 3 columns act like guides, so as you add content, imagine how someone will unfold and read the brochure. Keep important text away from the fold lines so nothing gets lost in the crease. If you're planning headlines, place them where they'll be immediately visible when the brochure is first opened, and use clear, high-contrast colors so your message stands out. Images and icons work best when they're aligned with the edges of each panel, which creates a tidy, professional look. A quick note on structure. A trifold is all about flow. Start with a strong, simple message in the first panel someone will see, then use the remaining panels to expand on details, features, or storytelling. Consistent fonts and spacing make everything feel intentional. If you're using brand colors, apply them sparingly to highlight key sections while keeping the overall design easy to read. That's the full setup. Main dashboard, click Create, search Brochure, choose the brochure landscape template, and you'll land on a page that's already divided into 3 equal parts. From here, you can design your brochure with confidence, knowing the layout will fold beautifully and make sense to your reader.